现在从一开始 ，OK start，OK OK。
In order to take HDMI to VGA adapter, USBNOVEL HDMI to VGA adapter, we make this TV to have a VGA signal input connector. Actually, this TV only have HDMI adapter, but in order to have the VGA adapter, we use this adapter. Now you can see this is HDMI, then VGA. Now it transfer the HDMI signal into VGA signal. Then we can see the TV. Okay, this is audio cable. Audio.
会正式开始，全球20。
No sound.
酒店、旅游3折起。
This is audio cable. And this port is micro USB port. We use this port for power supply for the devices. If the TV is very big and it needs more power, we may have to use this port. But now, it is okay. This is micro USB cable for power supply. Actually, the micro USB cable we attach can be used for data transfer too. It's a high quality one. You may use it for your mobile phone. Okay. This audio cable. That's all.
这肯定是恶心的，这样的一个食品里面怎么可能有蜘蛛呢？是吧？
事情发生后，梁先生联系了厂家和经销商，对方上门协商，可是解决方案让他并不满意。
我希望呢，厂家呢能关注食品的安全，然后让老百姓知道健康的食品。